Looking for the perfect holiday treat? Let's talk about peppermint bark cookies. Imagine the rich, gooey decadence of a brownie, but in the form of a cookie. Now, add a generous sprinkle of chopped peppermint squares, infusing the chocolatey goodness with a fresh, minty twist. These cookies are everything you could ever want in a holiday treat. They're thick, they're chocolatey, and they're delightfully festive. So, if you're ready to impress your loved ones with a delightful holiday treat, stick around. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need some flour, a touch of cocoa powder, and a pinch of both baking soda and salt. Don't forget your unsalted butter. It's vital for that smooth, creamy texture. Then, get some granulated sugar and brown sugar. You'll also need eggs and a dash of vanilla extract for that classic cookie flavor. And of course, the stars of our show, dark chocolate chips and peppermint bark squares. Now that you have everything ready, let's delve into the baking process. Scene script. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As your oven warms up, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. These are the dry ingredients that will give our cookies their brownie-like texture. Next, it's time to cream the butter and sugars. Grab another bowl and toss in some softened, unsalted butter. Add granulated sugar and brown sugar, then blend until it's a fluffy, creamy mix. Now let's enrich this mixture with eggs and a splash of pure vanilla extract. Once you've got your wet ingredients all creamy and dreamy, it's time to unite the dry and wet kingdoms. Gradually add your dry mixture into the wet one, stirring continuously. Be gentle, you don't want to overmix. Now comes the fun part, the chocolate chips and peppermint bark. Fold these into your cookie dough, letting the chips and bark pieces spread evenly throughout. You'll see beautiful specks of white and brown against the dark dough, each promising a burst of flavor. Finally, it's time to shape your cookies. Scoop out dough balls onto a lined baking sheet, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Pop the tray into your preheated oven and let the magic happen. Bake until the edges are firm, but the centers are still soft and gooey. Once they're baked to perfection, remove them from the oven and let them cool. These peppermint bark cookies are now ready to spread some holiday cheer. Now comes the fun part, presenting these lovely cookies. Once your peppermint bark cookies have cooled down and are ready to take center stage, there are numerous ways you can make them look even more tempting. One delightful idea is to place them in a festive cookie box. Imagine opening a box to find these chocolatey, minty delights nestled inside. It's like unwrapping a gift of deliciousness. Alternatively, you might choose to arrange them on a decorative plate. The contrast of the dark chocolate cookies against a vibrant holiday-themed dish can be quite a sight to behold. Not to mention, it makes for an inviting centerpiece at your holiday table. But let's not forget the true charm of these cookies, their gift-giving potential. These peppermint bark cookies are not just treats, they're tokens of affection. What better way to express your love and appreciation during the holiday season than with a batch of homemade cookies? They make a fantastic gift that's sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. And therein lies the magic of baking. It's not merely about creating something delicious to satisfy your sweet tooth. It's about the joy of sharing, the warmth of giving, and the delight of seeing your loved ones enjoy something you've made with your own hands. There you have it. Delicious peppermint bark cookies that are sure to bring joy to your holiday festivities. Remember, the best part of baking is sharing your treats with your loved ones. So bake, share, and spread the holiday cheer.